Hello, hello. This is Pile here. I'm a legacy founder and an emerging founder with Monat. And today we're going to be talking about how to rank up to MMP, which is our managing market partner rank. This is one of our major building blocks in our compensation plan, and all the other ranks are made up of MMPs. We always say that every single month, no matter how new or old you are, or seasoned, I should say, you are to the business, you should always be building yourself up as a brand new MMP every single month. And that's exactly what I'm here to talk to you about today. So if that's what you set as your monthly focus, every single month, you will be growing your business at a nice, fast rate, especially if you teach your team members to do exactly the same. So let's get right into it here. So the activity of a managing market partner, what is required for you to be an MMP? So this applies to you if you're brand new to us, or if you've been with us for a longer period of time and you're just trying to get into the rhythm of building yourself up as a brand new MMP every single month. So what you need is 300 personal volume. And personal volume, what does it mean? It's your own purchases, your VIP and your retail customers who purchase on your website directly from you, or from the VIP customers that have referred other VIP customers. So those referrals count as well. Also, what counts into your personal volume, if you are brand new, your product pack purchase in any given month gives you personal volume as well. You need 2 active lines, which as a brand new MMP, you would need to enroll 2 brand new market partners. And then overall 1,200 group volume. And group volume includes all the PV, all the personal volume that you have, as well as your downline, down to everybody except those who are MMB. So if anybody hits MMB under you, which is yet another rank, which we won't go into here today, but if somebody hits MMB, they do not count towards your group volume anymore, but they will count towards your downline or division volume, what we call DV. So managing market partner. So if you are brand new, you should be focusing on getting yourself 2 brand new market partners this month. Ideally, they should be joining with one of our product packs, because that really only makes sense, not to go with a basic kit that only has samples. And if you're somebody that's been longer with us and you already have maybe hit MMP, maybe you're all the way even to the Cadillac rank or a director ranks, how you can make yourself a brand new MMP every single month is you would aim, again, to enroll 2 brand new market partners and then generate an overall brand new volume that doesn't come from existing people of 1,200 GV. So MP, market partner, that would be you. So the 300 PV can come either from a product pack purchase. If you're brand new and you just joined with one of the product packs, the 300 can come from yourself, or if you're an existing market partner, it can come from your VIP customers or retail customers or your own purchases. So enrolling 1 market partner. Let's just have a scenario where they I can't even talk today, where they come in with an overachiever product pack. That's going to give them 450 PV. It's a lot of PV right there. Then you're going to enroll a second MP, and they are also going to come in with the overachiever product pack, which is the second biggest product pack. It's going to give them tons of products to use themselves and to also share with others. So there you are, yourself and 2 new market partners with overachiever packs. Then the next, in order for you to make it to MMP, between the 3 of you, you need to hit 1,200 GV. And as it happens, if you have 450 PV from overachiever product packs with your new people, and if you generate 300 personal volume yourself, magically, this equals 1,200 GV. So there you are, brand new managing market partner done. So if you are not in a smart start, you are obviously going to be earning product pack bonuses on these new market partners, and of course commissions on the VIPs and retail customers that you sell to. So the product pack bonuses are 320 Canadian dollars. What I'm going to be talking about here is all in Canadian dollars, just to make it simple. If you are in one of our other countries where we are open, just check your compensation plan to see what bonuses you have. But yes, the product pack bonuses are 320 Canadian each. That's a lot of money. So there's $640 for you. If you are somebody that's not in Smart Start, if you're somebody that's been with us for a while and you do this formula, imagine how this adds up. So also, if you add 4 VIPs into the mix, you earn an extra $75, so that your total goes up to $715 all of a sudden. So if you are somebody that is brand new, you just joined, and you are in your Smart Start, if you don't know what Smart Start is and want to learn more about it, you should refer to the Market Partner Academy that is in your back office. You can learn everything about, where you're at, what you need to do, how to approach people, and go through that entire training. But this is a whole different topic aside from this. So let's imagine that you're a brand new market partner in your Smart Start, meaning that you're within your first 2 full months. So when you do this exact same formula, you add 2 market partners with overachiever product packs, you generate 300 PV yourself, you rank up to MMP, you will get the $640 from the product packs, but look what happens after that. This is so exciting. You will earn a rank advancement bonus of 150 Canadian. If you add 4 VIPs personally to the mix, that's an extra 75. And that means that you have just built the block. We work in blocks. One block is 1 market partner plus 4 VIP customers. So in this case, you have 2 market partners and 4 VIP customers. You will get yourself a block bonus of 190 Canadian dollars. So that brings your total to 1,055. You guys, this can be life-changing money for so many of you. So let's imagine that now it's your month 2. Every single month, obviously you get paid out on all the hard work that you've done. And every new month, we start from a 0, even us at higher ranks. That's just how it works. So we don't carry over any volumes. Monat actually pays them out to you. They don't hold on to them until you build something else somewhere else. That's not how our compensation plan works. So in your month 2, if you made it to MMP in your first month, you can easily rank up to AMB the following month. And this is how. AMB stands for Associate Market Builder. If you aim to make yourself a brand new MMP again this month, meaning that you're going to add 2 brand new market partners again, you're going to get yourself to 300 PV again. That makes you a brand new managing market partner all over again. That's in addition to what you did last month. Now you're going to bring in 1 more new market partner who is going to make themselves into an MMP, just like you did last month. Look what happens. You're going to bring in a second market partner who is going to also get themselves to a brand new MMP. That's going to generate you 3,600 GV. How this comes, where it comes from, is that you yourself have 1,200 GV, and your 2 new market partners who made themselves into MMPs, they will also have 1,200. So 1,200 times 3 between the 3 of you is 3,600 GV. Now, in order for you to make yourself an actual AMB, you do need 400 personal volumes. So you do need to bring in 1 extra VIP customer or generate it somewhere else. But see how easy it is for you to rank up again in your second month. So if you did this and your teams duplicated all of this, after 3 months, you would have 8,400 GV. That is the GV required for a market mentor. Market mentor is our founder rank. Market mentor is our Cadillac rank, or if you are in the UK, that would be a Range Rover or a Jaguar. So you see how this can build so quickly and so simply. I'm not going to ever say that this business is easy, but the process is simple, and you can do this over and over again as long as you keep teaching your people to blast themselves out as a brand new MMP every month, and them doing the same with their team members. You're going to rank up so fast, and you're going to be making some amazing money very, very quickly. So there we are. If you have any questions, or just want more clarification about this whole process, I want you to reach out to either your upline, your sponsor, or your next person up. If you happen to be on my personal team, you can always reach out to myself. I'm always happy to explain things. If you're one of our lovely sideline sisters or brothers, then you go up in the uplines in your organization. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please feel free to share this with anyone, and I'm going to see you again on the next video.